progress. Just want to video this before I put it back together because I won't see it probably ever again. Hopefully if all goes well. Pistons are in, rings, so that was a good learning process. The diagram that came with it, instructions for the rings wasn't the best, so luckily I had the main book, the service manual that I bought. That's really good. Cranks in, of course. So I've probably talked a lot about doing this twice over, but anyway. So the cam timing chain is on double row, of course. That's sort of dialed in. They took about the 9 links up, so there's a little dot there. I've marked the chain, and you come up to the second one up here. I just brought it around on top dead centre, and it's just slightly on its way down. So I'm not going to dial it in like the professionals. I'm not worried if I miss out on, well, it's not going to make 1,000 horsepower, so if I miss out 1 or 2, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, lifters. I've put this nice lithium grease on it, on the bottoms. I've got break-in oil. This one here I've used. That's down in the centre as well. For the lifters, they're probably the most expensive thing that I've replaced. So the rings I've replaced, the pistons are all the same. Timing set's all brand new. Camshafts brand new. Crankshafts, it's the same one. And the main caps are the same. Connecting rods on the pistons are the same. Put in new Welsh plugs. Welsh plugs at the back, of course. Rope seal. Cam bearings, they're all new. The pump I pulled down the housing and cleaned up all the oil gallery itself where the oil flows, and you can probably see a little bit there, the radius I've done on that. Some go a little bit further, a bit there I think, there. Internally there's a bit more. And then the same with the oil in general. A lot of other videos in this E-long section here. There's a lot of what do I call it, factory castings left over from when it was manufactured. This lip along here, that was all risen, it's all sharp, it's all loose flaky stuff that falls off, can fall off into the engine. So I've cleaned all that out. Down in that oil passage, that had a big lip, so I thought about getting oil flow. Done all through there. What I can on YouTube find that guys have done for oil prep, I've done it. I was a bit dubious about this one at the front. There's the locking tab in there for the camshaft and that. Combs Racing, I saw one on there where they pinned that hole over to stop flow of oil, because enough gets in the front timing area apparently. So hopefully that works. Hopefully I haven't stuffed that up. Yeah, so that being said, got the heads to go on. So while I'm at it, this is on another YouTube guy here in Australia. So that sprocket is actually an old timing gear sprocket that I had, and welded some box onto it, box steel, and then welded an adapter for a socket on there. So that's got the spline there where I've marked it. to this spline here on the shaft, so that basically sits over, and then you can rotate the whole assembly itself. So worked out really good. Luckily I just had everything, so it didn't cost me except for my time. Luckily, yeah, anyway, gotta stop yapping and get back into it before it gets too stinking hot. Okay.